So my screen is visible.
Visible, bhai.
Okay. So here you can see the backup has been completed. It's a full backup. Okay.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Yeah. So we'll exist from here. We'll go to that location. We go to that location, and here we can see the data backup. This is the data file backup, which is
Yeah.
start with data. This is the archive log backup, which is start with ARC, and this is the control file backup, which is
Yes, bhai.
start with control.
Yeah.
As we have given in the screen, so it generated the backup files here. So now
Yes.
we can like understand if there is something happen. So in this way, we can understand, yeah, this is the control file backup. So where we need to restore the control file, and this is the data and archive log backup. Okay, so we can
Yeah.
easily understand, yeah, this is the control file. So if we want to restore the control file, then easily we can restore the control file from here.
Yes,
Okay.
bhai. Right. Yeah.
And also, as you know that the auto backup is enabled for control files. So every time it will take a control file auto backup in the auto backup folder.
Yes.
Okay. But
Yeah.
there is like the name something like this 01 F. So we cannot understand like is this the control file backup or what? Okay, but here we can easily understand, means like in auto backup, so obviously we can understand, yeah, this is the control file backup because it's
Yes.
available in the auto backup. Okay,
Yeah.
but as we have seen in the backup set folder, where the backup in backup set folder, all the data file and for the control file and for the archive log file, the name has been started with the 01MF1. So we did not understand, yeah, which one is the data file, which one is the control file backup. But now here we can easily understand, yeah, this is the control file backup. So if there is anything happen in the control file, then we can restore it from here. Either we can restore it from the auto backup, either we can restore it from the snapshot control file backup.
Right,
Okay.
bhai. Yeah.
And these are the data file backup and archive log. Okay. So this
Yeah.
is the one scenario. The second one is will take level 0 backup.
Okay. Level 0.
Yeah. So what we will do, we will connect to the RMAN. So here always one thing understand always like if we have taken the backup database, backup archive log, backup control file. Okay, and
Yeah.
you are thinking, yeah, now we can take a label one backup. Okay,
Okay.
so RMAN will not consider the database full backup command as a incremental backup. Okay,
Okay.
so if you
Yeah.
want to take the label 0 and label 1, means if you want to take the label 1 backup, okay, so
Yeah.
before that you need to take a label 0 backup.
Okay, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then RMAN can decide, yeah, we have taken a backup before the time, like before the this backup, we have taken one backup, one incremental backup, and then after that backup to till now, whatever the change happened or whatever the block has been changed in the database. So I am going to take only those changed block backup uh, for now.
Okay, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one more thing, if like someone can ask, suppose I do not take a label 0 backup and directly I am going to execute a label 1 backup. So is it possible to execute? And if is it possible to execute, so what happened? So your answer should be yes. You can say yes, you can execute the label 1 backup, but RMAN will consider those backup as a level 0.
Okay, got it.
Okay, level
Yeah.
0 in the sense if you are executing the incremental backup first time,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
either you are giving the label 0 or giving the label 1. So, and you did not take any incremental backup before. So, RMAN, if you are giving the label 0 backup, then you can easily understand, yeah, I am taking the full backup,
Okay.
database full backup, database incremental full backup. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you are executing a backup, incremental backup label 1 without any, means you do not have any incremental backup, or you did not take any incremental backup before, and you are directly executing the level 1 backup.
Yeah.
So RMAN will consider that backup as a level 0, as
Okay.
a incremental full backup. It will
Okay, bhai.
consider as a incremental full backup.
Yes, bhai.
So you got my point.
Yeah, got it, bhai.
So if anyone asks, is it possible to take label 1? I did not take any incremental backup before, and directly I am executing the level 1 incremental backup. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible,
Yeah,
but
okay.
RMAN will consider those backup as a incremental full backup.
Okay, got
So
it.
your answer should be like this.
Yes.
Yes, it's possible, but RMAN will consider those backup as a incremental full backup.
Okay, bhai, got it.
Okay. So,
Yes.
so what I'm going to do? Uh,
You're going to take
Here you
level
can
1.
see already we have learned these things like by full backup and everything. Now we are going to take the incremental level 1, level 0 and level 1. So what we will do? Firstly, we will take the level 0 backup.
Yes, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we will do, we will write the command here and we'll give the format because we do not give the format. So here we give the format and this is the label 0 backup. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So this is the label 0, give the column and inc underscore data underscore percent u
You.
close. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
And then what we will give for next, here we'll take the archive log backup again.
Yes, bhai.
Uh,
Archive.
backup archive log all. Okay. Uh, archive log all format and paste the location here. And what I will do, will give the archive. Okay.
Okay, bhai.
And here we will write a command for
Yeah.
backup
Control file.
current control.
Control file.
Backup current
Control file.
control file and paste the
Path.
format and give the uh, control. And also yesterday you are asking something like %u dot ctl. So here you
Okay.
can give the dot dvf dot ctl, whatever you want to do.
Okay, bhai.
Okay.
Extension.
So
Yeah.
here I am giving the dot ctl for this
Okay.
backup only. For this,
Okay.
you can give the dot btf, dot dvf. For this, you can give the dot arc. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
But
bhai.
there is no need. You can just give the initial. So easily you can understand, yeah, this is the control file, this is the archive log backup, and this is the data file backup.
Yes,
And
very
what
right.
we will do here, we will give the run open bracket, and here we will give the close bracket. Okay, and
Yeah.
copy this command, and paste it. Okay, so we have copied and we have pasted it. Now press
Yes.
the enter. So what it's doing, it's taking a incremental label 0 by.
Yes, very right.
So the backup has been completed. Now what we
Yes.
will do also, in the same time, we'll take the label 0 backup. We'll write the script for, sorry, level 1 backup. Okay, and here we'll give the L1, L1, L1. Okay, so it
Yes.
will go inside the L1. So
Okay.
also what I will do, will create one more directory like differential and cumulative. So we'll
Okay, bhai.
also take one cumulative and one differential back. Okay.
Okay, bhai.
So uh, go to the CD. Here is no file directory is available. What we will do, mkdir. This is the differential mkdir. Just write the
Cumulative.
CUL means cumulative. It means cumulative. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So now we have two directories, the differential and cumulative. So
Yes.
I am going to take first the differential. So what we will give, we'll give the differential here also. Okay. And we'll give the differential also here and here also. So each backup will go in the differential.
Yes, bhai.
We will do, we'll go to the differential. So connect to the RMAN
Target.
target slash. Okay. Yeah. Now we have the RMAN target slash. Now I am executing the label one. Label one, as I told you, if we are giving backup incremental label one database only, it means we are going to take the incremental differential label one by. It's
Okay,
your
got
by
it.
default label one by. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to take the differential label one. And
Okay.
also you remember, when we are executing the label one only without any key like cumulative or differential, it means we are taking a differential backup, which is the by default label one backup type. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have taken the label one differential. Now we'll take the cumulative. So what we will give also, like, why I am giving a run open bracket and all, you can give the like one by one. Only you can type this command only and press the enter, then it will take the backup. Then you can write the second one. So
Yeah, right.
here what I am doing, I am like typing all these three commands in a single command prompt. and we are executing all these three commands uh, with single execution.
Okay, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Either if we will execute one by one, then we need to wait for once your level one backup will be completed. So we'll wait till the complete time. Then after you need to write for the archive log backup command. Then again you will wait till completion of the archive log backup. Then again you will type the current control file backup. Then it will take the control file backup. Here
Yeah.
we are here we are giving all these three commands in a single execution.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay. So here what we will give, we'll give the cumulative. Okay.
Yeah, right.
We'll give the only here we need to give the cumulative.
So for differential, we no need to mention anything here. Only cumulative you have to add it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, bhai.
As I
Okay.
told you, if we
Yeah.
are taking a backup incremental label one database, we are not mentioning anything like cumulative or differential. It
Yeah.
means we are taking by default differential backup. This is
Yes,
the
bhai. Right.
incremental means like differential backup. It's your default label one type backup.
Yes, bhai. Right.
It's a label one by default type.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you want to take the cumulative, then you need to mention the cumulative wording after
Yes,
label.
right.
Then your RMAN will understand, yeah, means like we are executing a command, label one incremental command to take a cumulative label one.
Yeah.
So RMAN will behave like that. Like whatever the changes happen in the database after the last label zero, so till now, I am
Yeah.
going to take all those changes back up in this
Cumulative.
uh, cumulative back.
Yes, bhai. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear.
Yeah. So we are going to take the cumulative here. So we have given the cumulative. Now we are executing, and the database is taking, like RMAN is taking the cumulative label one back.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay.
Right.
Now here, as you can see, we have completed the label one full backup, incremental label zero backup, incremental differential label one backup. We have completed incremental cumulative label one backup.
Yeah,
Okay.
bhai. Right.
Now we have all those backup here. Now we go to the cumulative first. Here we, as we can see, we have, oh, sorry. I think I did not give him the name here. So that's why it by mistakenly it goes in the differential one. So differential and cumulative all is available in the this
Yeah,
backup.
differential only. Okay, bhai. No issue, bhai. Understand.
Yeah. So means like these are the three backups. Here you can see these are the three backups at
Yes, bhai. Right.
436. These backup are the cumulative backup.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay. So what we
Yeah.
will do, we will uh, delete these backup from here. RM hyphen RF and we'll take the backup again
Okay, bhai. In that cumulative location.
in the yeah, in the now here we can see we have only three backup which we
Yeah,
have
bhai.
taken with it. Now what we will do, we'll go to the cumulative and here as you can see there is no backup is available because we did not taken the backup here. We need to mention the cumulative.
Cumulative path. Director name.
Okay, so that's why it's going to that location. Now it will go to the cumulative location. Okay,
Yes, bhai.
so we'll connect to the RMAN target slash. Okay,
Yes, bhai.
here we have connected to the RMAN and now executed the cumulative call.
Right, bhai.
It's taking the data files backup and now it's taking the archive log file backup. Now it's taking the control file backup and now it's taking the auto control file back. Now it's the so it's this from here and as you have seen we had cumulative location. Before
Yeah.
that we did not have any file and now we have the three files. This is the
Yes, bhai.
data
Yeah.
file, this is the archive log file and this is the control file. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically you need to know only like here this is the here you can see already I have given like level 0 level 1 and level 1 cumulative. Here you just need to give the uh, format and give the specified name.
Yes,
Okay,
bhai. Right. Yeah.
here so also I have given in the like downside you can see like yeah backup
Yeah.
database format
Yes.
means like the specified location. This is the archive log and the archive log all format. Also I have
Yes.
written the uh, like like mean what it means. Here I have
Yes,
given
bhai.
the backup database plus archive log. So
Yes,
this
bhai.
is
Right.
the this command will work same like a backup database and backup archive log. So we are giving the two commands for the
Right.
same purpose. Okay. So RMAN has given means like RMAN also we have a command backup database plus archive. It
Okay,
means
bhai.
here we no need to give the backup database and then backup archive log. Also, we can give the backup database plus archive log in single command. And by default, it will take the backup database means like data file backup and the archive log backup in single
Yes,
file.
bhai. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also you can see here I have given the format for this. Like if you are taking the backup database plus archive log, then how you will give the format for data file and for archive log. So after
Yes.
the backup database, you need to give the format for the data file plus archive log format and
Format.
give the format for the archive.
Yes, bhai. Right.
So here we need to give the format two times. One is for the database format, means for the data file format. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can see the file format. Okay. So for
Okay.
database format and second one is for plus archive log. Means ki here also we are taking the archive log backup. So that's why here we are giving the second time format for the archive.
Right, bhai.
Okay. So
Yes.
this is the, but basically in the environment, uh, we used to take the backup like this. Backup database in one command, backup archive log in one command.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Got
this
it.
is the way. Also, like in the script, you can see like here they have given backup archive log format this or backup archive log sys date -4 until this date or until sys date -4 or sys date like this. It means like from the from till to last 4 days only, whatever the archive has been generated. So this command will take only for those 3 days, 4 days of the archive log backups only. I don't want to take the like whole archive log backup, whatever the archive log we available on the server. I don't want to
Okay.
take the backup. I just want to take the last 2 days archive log backup. So here you need to give the sys date -2,
Sorry,
okay,
bhai.
or sys date
Okay.
-4.
-2. Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
6 days
sysdate
service.
-4, yeah, sysdate -2. So it
Yeah,
will
okay.
take only those, means whatever the number of days we are giving,
Okay.
so it will take only 2 days or 3 days, last 2 days or last 3 days, whatever the archives has been generated on the server or on available on the server. So it will
Okay,
take
got it.
only those archive logs backup. If suppose on the
Okay.
server we are having last 30 days archive log on the server, okay,
Okay, bhai.
and we are executing the archive log command. So if
Okay,
we
bhai.
are executing every time, then it will go and it will take the all 30 days archive log backup again and again.
Okay.
But I don't want to take the last 30 days backup again and again because it will consume the space. It will
Yes.
use your space, right?
Yes,
So
bhai.
what we will do, we will give simply sysdate -2. So what it will do, whatever the time you will execute the command, it will take only last 2 days archive.
Yes, bhai, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the on the server, on the in the environment, your script looks like this, like backup database, backup archive log this, and sysdate uh, 247 means as per your space availability on the server.
Yeah, got it, bhai.
Yeah. So these are the number of days. Here you can see like we can take the data file backup also. Okay.
Okay.
Means only data file backup. If you want to take the data file backup, then you can take the data file backup.
Okay, bhai. You mentioned 4 now by ending that backup incremental level 0 data file 4.
Hmm.
Means 4 means here any particular data file way or a number of days.
Yeah, it will take a particular data file backup only.
Okay,
Because
got
here we have mentioned that like this data file backup. It
it.
means
Okay.
it will take only that particular data file backup.
Okay, bhai.
But on environment also you can see there is no use of this command. Yeah, you can use the table space. Also, you will not see the table space like RMAN backup table space command on the server.
Okay, bhai.
Here you can see the table space. Also, you can take the like one table space, yeah, multiple table space backup
Okay,
using
bhai.
the backup command. So I have
Okay.
just basically I have used the incremental label. Also, you can give only the backup uh, like uh, table space. Give the table space.
Okay.
Hmm. There will
Yeah.
no need to give the label 0 or label 1. So it's just basically a DBA nodes like yeah, we are executing the backup database. Same way we can execute the backup table space and give the table space name. Same way we can give the data file name. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Got it.
it's same like the backup a data file and give the data file. Either you can give the data file name, either you can give the data file number, file ID.
Yeah. Got
So
it.
basically, this is the file ID. Okay.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So you can see. So normally, like people knows, yeah, we can take the backup table space, give the table space. But if someone asks the command like how to take a table space incremental backup, then
Okay.
you should know this command. The backup incremental label 0 or label 1 table
One.
space and give the table space in.
Yes, bhai.
Yeah.
Got it, bhai.
Also, you
Clear.
can see the cumulative, all those things here. I will
Okay,
mention.
same. Okay.
Yeah. And this is the way. So, uh, this is the way to take the backup of the uh, like uh,
Of database like a data file
database,
and control file and
data files, cumulative, differential, level 0.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
so
got it.
this is the way to take the backup of the database.
Yeah, sure. Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now here what I am going to do now, I am going to show you
And
like
one more doubt, bhai. like
Yeah,
what the issue we faced in our company in our microland. So shall I discuss with you that one?
yeah, sure.
Actually, every month end full backup will trigger na full month
Mhm,
end backup, complete database backup.
mhm,
So such a time automatically incremental either level one or level zero backup also triggering on the back end. Such a
mhm.
time this full backup is taking RQ log backup started means such a time already RQ backup is taken from the level one backup. That's why we faced like failed of this RQ backup full backup. Such a time Arsenal is done. He given like uh, some command like format command in that script RQ script. So then it is tapping the complete full backup and RQ backup without any disturbance.
Full backup and archives backup.
RQ backup by.
Actually, basically, look what happened. It might be when your like backup has been triggered on the server. So
Yeah.
some actually what happened last time. So if you explain, then I can understand the better.
Okay. Can I explain one more time by?
Yeah. One more time, please.
Uh, 10:30 p.m. Night 10:30 p.m. Incremental
Mm-hmm.
backup is triggered by. Okay.
Okay.
It is on process. On the same
Mm-hmm.
day before example Saturday full backup triggered, month end backup triggered.
Mm-hmm.
Sunday incremental backup triggered at 10:30. So
Okay.
almost full backup is started in Saturday night. It's completed by Sunday evening, Sunday night.
Mm-hmm.
So such a time RQ backup is started. That full backup is triggered on Saturday. Such a time
Mm-hmm.
incremental backup is taking the RQ backups.
Mm-hmm.
Then Simba told like I explained already the incremental backup is taking the RQ's backup. That's why our full backup what the script we mentioned there RQ backups. So thus our in the script they won't found the RQs in that particular location because already incremental backup taken that RQ's backup. That's why our RQ backup is not found those RQs which was taken by incremental backup. That's why RQ backup is failed.
Actually, what happened in that scenario? No, it might be ki, there is a command which they have mentioned inside the command ki yeah, it will take the backup and it will delete delete some archive logs from the server. And the same time, your archive log backup happening from the other script, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Right.
it might be what happened in that scenario. If I have seen that error or if I have seen that error or anything, na, then I can explain better. But as per my knowledge, as you
Okay,
explained, so it
tomorrow,
might be what happened.
yeah,
Any one of the backup or which is running. So it
right.
might be it has taken the archive log backup and it has deleted those backups. So if it has deleted, then what happened due to the for the second backup, it will
Okay,
look for that archive log and it will not found the archive log on the server. So it may be it got failed due to that reason.
okay,
So what a reason maybe uh,
okay. Tomorrow
inside
I
the
will,
screen.
in next session, I will show you by that. I think what is that script they mentioned. So what is the error
Yeah,
I got, I
script
will
or
show.
if you have the error, na, so
Yeah,
I can explain better.
yeah, okay, but tomorrow I
Because
will,
verbally, actually, I can't
uh,
understand
yeah,
what have
understand. Yeah,
happened with
I think I
your.
taken that screenshot somewhere. Once I check in office laptop and I will take the WhatsApp photo and I will show it on tomorrow. What is the error we faced
Sure,
in next
sure,
session.
sure,
Okay.
sure,
He
sure.
used the forward command by in that command also have it. Once I'll check it in, I will show it on tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay, no issue. We'll see
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Uh, so
Next
now
week.
what? Yeah, now what we will do? Our database is running, currently running. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do? We'll
The Pimon.
Okay, our database is running. So what I will do, I am direct killing this uh, process. Now
Process.
here you can see only ORCL is running, SFMS is completely wrong. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
what we will do, we will go to the Oracle base. Here we are having the ls-ltr. Here we are having the all the SFMS files here. Okay,
Yes, bhai.
so what I will do, I will delete all these files from me.
Okay, bhai.
All these files are, we can see like I am going to remove only some of the files. Means like it looks like yeah, your database has been crashed.
Okay, bhai.
Okay, so I'm going to do that one. So what I'm going to do, I am deleting the rm-rf. Firstly, the control file.
Okay, bhai.
Okay, the secondly, like the sysop table space, we can say.
Okay, bhai.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I am going to delete.
Yes.
It means like there is something happen with your control file, or there is one of the table space, something happen with that file.
Yes, bhai. Right.
It means your database has been crashed. Now
Yes.
what we will do, we'll connect to the SQL plus slash sysdb.
Okay, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here is the main game will go to start. So what we will do, we'll stop this session and we'll connect again,
Okay, bhai.
because it's going to complete. And
Yes.
then we'll show you the complete recovery. We'll explain you the scenario. As you
Okay.
know that I have explained you a scenario from connected to ideal instance, what it database will look for
Yeah.
from
Right.
means like from ideal instance to no mount, what it will look
From mount
for,
to mount and
from no
mount to
mount
open
to
mode.
mount, what it will look for, and from mount to
Yeah.
open, what it will look for. Okay,
Okay.
so
No mount
now
look for control file.
yeah, so
Yeah.
that scenario will apply here.
Okay,
You
bhai.
know that we will start the database and then we'll see
Yeah.
like we have 1 minute, so we'll try to start the database.
Yeah.
Startup. Okay, we'll see the problem. Now here we are getting the identifying control file, check alert log formality. So
Right, bhai.
we just assume like your control file got corrupted.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, bhai. Right.
yeah. So we'll search about the database. Okay,
Right.
because only your instance has been started. Your database has not gone to the mount stage because your control file is corrupted,
Yes, I got it, bhai.
right?
Yeah. Right.
So it's aborted. So now we have stopped the sortable. Now
Yeah.
we
Right.
know that we have the multiple option to restore the control file. So
Okay, bhai.
uh, after this session, it will be stop in 30-40 seconds. So after this session, I will ask you how many options we have to restore the control. So let's
Okay.
connect. We'll stop and then let's connect again. Okay.
Yeah.